Okay, we're looking inside the unit on top of the rooftop. As you can see, it's been all sealed up all the way around, any openings. It's completely dry inside the unit. See the paper, it's dry. Walking around the unit, there's no possible way with this flashing. The water's getting inside. The roof is really wet right now from the rains that we just had. Looking inside the return compartment, I can see the roof down inside. I took pictures. It's completely dry. No wetness whatsoever between the unit and the roof. As you can see here, we sealed up all around the exterior. Inside compartment's completely dry. Just walking around it. There's no water whatsoever inside the unit or on the roof, or I should say inside the roof compartment.